Please don't cut his leg off, my grandson cried out, tears streaming down his cheeks. Sir, you fell into a diabetic coma. The doctor told me as I blinked my eyes open, confused and scared. My wife was sitting by my hospital bed holding my hand. Her eyes were red and she looked worried. She was pleading with the doctor. We've done all we can to stabilize him, the doctor told her, but it looks like it's too late. This horrific disease was going to rob me of my retirement and put me in a wheelchair for life. But with diabetes freedom, I reversed my type 2 diabetes, and you can too. Forget what you've heard about diabetes when they told you it's caused by your genetics or your family history, your age, your weight, or even eating too much sugar or carbs. The truth, according to a breakthrough American study from the University of Utah, is that the cause of diabetes type 2 is a tiny lipid molecule that makes your fat cells go haywire. This molecule forces toxic fat cells to stream into your blood. Check out my transformation here. The solution is as simple as consuming a blend of nutrients that target and reverse the root cause of diabetes type 2. Anybody can use this nutritional method. No matter if you're 40, 50, 60, 70 or even 80 years of age. If you're a man or a woman. No matter if you've had diabetes for 10 years or 10 days. I guarantee that you can safely use this breakthrough method yourself. And even if you only succeed in getting your blood sugar under control, it'll be worth it. I was skeptical about trying it myself, but with death staring me square in the face, I was ready to try anything. And thank God I did, because now I'm free of diabetes. Freeing myself from diabetes allowed me to rebuild my life. I now have the freedom to do whatever I want. I have the energy to play with my grandson, and most of all, I'll never have to take my debilitating medication again. This breakthrough method has now helped 37,839 diabetes type 2 sufferers free themselves from the disease. You're about to see exactly how to reverse your diabetes type 2. And when you see how these people reverse their type 2 diabetes, you'll wish you'd found out about it years ago. You don't know about this discovery that reverses diabetes because doctors won't talk about it. It's not new medication, it's not a supplement, it's not a crash diet, it's nothing like that. The simplicity of this solution will surprise you and maybe enrage you. Pay close attention and click on the link beneath this video.